You're so smooth and so creamy, but I'm gonna turn you into a deep-fried delicacy. I'm gonna put you in the bottom, turn your heat up higher, sprinkle sugar all over you. Oh yeah, I better grab a corn dog while I'm here at the Utah State Fair. But don't worry, dessert before the meal. Ooh.
I'm Dr. Pepper.
And I'm Roxy Foxy.
Roxy, today are we going to the circus?
No.
Carnival?
Yes.
Yes?
No.
Are we going to the fair?
No.
What are we doing?
We are trying Herr's sweet and crunchy funnel cake flavor balls.
Whoop whoop.
Wait. Yeah.
Alright, so we tried, what did we try the last? Funnel cake? The Asian funnel cake. Don't do it. If you haven't seen that video, we'll try to put a link below. If not, Google it. We're horrible. What else have we tried funnel cake? Oh, with this we tried cotton candy.
Really?
Yeah, we tried cotton candy.
Wait, what?
What? They were cotton candy, do you remember? Anyways, on to today's
I remember
video.
now, but it's a long time ago. It's like 6 months ago. I'm older now.
Older, more mature. I'm too mature for cotton candy.
Ugh.
As if. Anyways, so we are trying these. Now we'll finally get around to it.
Yep.
Smells like cereal. Like
Wait.
maple syrup. Oh,
Wait.
yeah,
Alright, see this? Alright, keep that between your head. Now look at this.
show. It looks like giant balls of cereal. Okay, so
It looks wrong.
I'm gonna try this. Let's see what happens. And it looks like a Cheeto, but brown. Like a Cheeto that didn't get no.
It looks weird.
Like a cheese ball that didn't get no cheese.
It's tanner than me.
It's tan. That don't take much. Your shirt's more tan than you are.
Goodbye. Alright, let's stop. Alright.
You ready?
Yes.
All right. Tastes like
What?
cereal. Like maple syrup. It's like a mapley sweet taste to it. But like a...
What?
What are you doing? What?
My brain's confused. It's funnel cake flavored, but tastes more like maple syrup crunchy thing about it.
It's a giant crunch berry.
That's what it is.
That's pretty much what you get. If you like eating cereal dry, this will probably be a snack for you.
It's not a snack for me because I eat cereal dry.
These are weird.
Why keep on eating that?
Somebody's got to.
Yeah, true.
Cheeto? Sorry. Funnel cake?
Cheetah? Alright, let's end this video.
No! Why?
It's not a Midnight Madness video.
I like Do y'all like the Midnight Madness videos?
Yeah.
Are they good, bad?
I like that as the remix. It's better than You Can Sound.
We're just trying to broaden your horizons on what's available here on YouTube.
Yeah.
We don't think there's enough weirdness on here.
Oh, trust me, there's other YouTubers that's weirder than us.
Let's not call them out.
Why?
We make it some hate mail.
No, they're not subscribed to us. All y'all subscribe to
They
us.
may never be subscribed to us.
Well, can you end that out?
Never.
Great.
Never.
Great.
Alright, so, what do you think about funnel cake? Yay, nay? Yes, no. Nay is no. Yay, nay.
Nay.
Nay. I'll eat them. I'm not buying them again.
No.
I wouldn't recommend them. Disappointing. It's a bag of disappointment.
We've been talking about just a flavorless bowl for about like 4 minutes.
It's what we do.
Welcome. Are we trying to finish the video?
This is our job. This is what we're doing.
Alright, let's
Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. No. I say thanks for watching. What are you doing to us? This is why we can't get more subscribers.
Alright, bye.
Don't leave me. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Share with your friends, family, Backstreet Boys, and Spice Girls. See, I can do this without you. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and of course here on YouTube. Like and subscribe, hit the bell icon below, and get more videos like this, maybe even better. Anything else you want to say?
Whoa, jeez!
Alright, with that, we'll say goodbye. Goodbye!